Hello friends, hi to all. This is the video about the sign in sign up page with authentication of First database. It is our final output page. This is sign up page, and next we will go to choose. This is login page. First of all, we have registered the sign up page, and next time we will allow us login page directly email and with password. First of all, we will choose the in this first of all we have to choose HTML page. In this first we will choose a style sheet with CSS href style sheets CSS. First of all, we have the container box. Inside the container box we will add in class ID with first of all it's a sign up page. Sign up page with a full of requirements, full name, email, password, and confirm password, and last sign up submit. If it has an already account, we'll directly go to the login page. Now it's an login page form, directly only password and email. Direct login into the website. It is our HTML page. Next we will see the CSS. It is our CSS page. First of all, total body container as allocated to backgroundly with colorful flexbox with display with flexbox elements, centers, text and elements with basic sizes. In the container shapes, background color changes, padding, and box shape with sizing. And after that, we'll allocated all their sizes in a perfect manner with like a responsive manner. It is a as medium with adjustments. Max with 600 pixel with in container h2 element input and button tags. This is our style sheet. Next we will see JS code. First of all, we will get the Firebase link authentications. Next, we will console for our Firebase conflict. Firebase conflict. This is it is get it from the Firebase. Next, we will get the const app installation app Firebase conflict get authorization. It will get all the sign up content container login container. Go to the sign up container, go to the login container. It takes from the HTML page to that element. This whenever you click on whenever in this add event listeners are created, because after the clicking the button it will activate or remove from that side. It is sign up events. These are submissions. After that, if the password is matched, then only it will go to the website. Otherwise, it will shows an error which there will be created. Finally, sign up container dot class questions add an activation. With once of all, we will check the output. First of all, we will give the full name like Ram Kumar Tangella. Email shortcut GALLA. it will show us an error because it is email already exist. Now it shows sign up is completed. Now we will see how to connect with Firebase. First of all, add a project. Give the project name. Login. I give it as login. In second step, in second step it will goes as instead. In this we will disable its Google Assistant. Then create account. It will take some time for creating our new project. Okay, we will click continue. Then first of all we go to this web applications. We will create a web application like login as you wish. We click register app. In this next step we will use a script tag, go to that, and we will save it as this, and save this code and use it in the JS code. It will useful in JS code. Next we click continue. Next we will go to the authentication. Next we will click get started. We will go to the email and password. First of all we will enable first email and password and save it. Then next go to the real-time projects, go to builds and go to the real-time database. Real-time database. In this we will create a database. It will create your database. Step 1. It will next we will change it as a okay enables. It will real-time projects. In the go to the rules section. In this we will change it as false into true. And click publish. Here the authentication is completed. Now we will check that data is stored or not. We will see that already I sent in this Tangilla Rohit 5 is stored at today. Okay, it is how to connect login page with authentication with Firestore database. It is a final output, sign page and login page. Thank you.